Ready to move your USDT from Trust Wallet to Kraken like a pro. Let's dive into a seamless transfer process. First, head over to your Kraken account and log in, then locate the deposit section. This is usually found under the funding or wallet tab. Next, select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to deposit and make absolutely certain you choose the TRC20 network. This is crucial. Using the wrong network will result in permanent loss of funds. Copy your unique USDT TRC20 deposit address provided by Kraken. Double-check it to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Now, open your Trust wallet and select USDT. Tap the Send button to initiate a transfer. Paste the Kraken USDT TRC20 address you copied earlier into the recipient address field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Review all the transaction details on the confirmation screen very carefully. Ensure the address, amount, and network fees are correct. Once you confirm, the transaction is sent. You can view the transaction details, including the transaction ID, within Trust Wallet. Head back to your Kraken account and check your transaction history to see when the USDT deposit is confirmed. This process may take a few minutes. Remember to always double-check addresses and network selections to avoid losing your precious crypto. Now you're equipped to securely transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Kraken.